Welcome. In this video I will show you how to free up storage space on Redmi 17. To quickly free up your storage, you have to open the security application, run the cleaner, and then let it do the job for you. If you want to free up gigabytes of your storage and make it useful, you also should check the video on how to debloat your smartphone. This way you can free up around 15 gigabytes of your storage and also speed up your device by deleting the unnecessary apps that come with your smartphone. We can also run the deep clean in the same menu and see what we can delete, which applications we can uninstall from our phone, select the ones that you don't need and uninstall them to free up the storage. And also run the boost speed to clear the cache of your device. So basically all the essential tools for cleaning are located within this one application, and if you want to perform some deeper cleaning and also speed up your device's performance, check out the video on how to debloat your smartphone. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.